Okay. So here we are at Cine 23, and at the Chrosziel stand we are showing the Sony Venice 2 accessories in a kind of cinematic multicam setup. So what we have is the brand new cage system with a 19mm rod system, and as well we are offering this as a 15mm lightweight support setup. And then we have this little iris motor with a high-rosy 12-pin connector, and that 12-pin connector you would simply attach to the camera, and as soon as you engage it, the motor will start calibrating itself and then finds its end stop and is ready to go. This way you have remote operation from a panel, like here we see the Sony RCP panel, and this way I have iris control remotely and can have it operated from a studio or even more remotely. It reads the iris metadata out of it, so we have the real live iris data on here for control.
Oh, here.
And then you can set the coloring and everything on that panel for the Sony Venice camera. Besides that, here we show the Magnum system, a wireless fizz unit, very universal, so we have focus and zoom motorized with that. And we have the wireless fizz hand unit controlling the focus, and here in the back you have the zoom control. You could have it set here with focus and zoom demands, so this way you can have full operation here in the back with zoom and focus demands. If you want to learn more about our products, please go to our website chrosziel.com and let us know what you think about it. Thanks.